Well, y'all, big stroke here. We going to link up with the Trendsetters. We got to meet. We're going to do the night with ChickenHeads, Trendsetters, Big Stroke, Lil and the Champ. My sweet pea, you know, she on the camera right now. She's the shooter. Bang, bang. I'll see y'all when we get there, though. We're here and an undisclosed location. That's what we're gonna say, undisclosed location. We with the prez, man. Texas Trendsetters.
You know what it is. It's your boy Drew V. Hey, on the way to ChickenHeads, you're gonna see what it is, man. We're gonna have park and chill. Check it out.
Let's go.
Hey man, if you don't know, hey, now you know. Texas Trendsetters, you know what it is, baby. TTS to the chest. Hey man, you gotta check out the lineup. Hey, it speaks for itself, baby. Quality, baby, quality.
How wide them bitches is, man?
2616 right there.
God damn.
TIS 547s, triple black. 101 with the offset in Houston right now. That's 101 right there. Nobody got these motherfuckers in Houston yet.
What's your IG, bro?
It's a Mez 91. You catch it right here in the back too. Black suede, headliner visors. All the plastics, all the little trimmings are painted black. Man, this is a 9.7 McCoy's lift, but I got it adjusted with a 2-inch kit in the front and a 2-inch outer leaf in the back, so I'm sitting at 11.9. You know what I'm saying? With the McCoy upper control arms and the billet caps on the arms. And you know, we got the 26x16s on 35 TISs, and then just all the small little black touches to the truck, you know, to make it all black. So, something for now, man, something light, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to do my thing, man, triple black. Call it the Green Goblin. Y'all see why later on tonight when I light it up.
What's going on, y'all? It's at the Big DZ 1993 on Instagram. Got my 2015 Dodge Ram Laramie 2-wheel drive right here. Got a 5.7 low end, 6.1 cam, 6.1 heads, Hellcat injectors, Hellcat cold packs, built 433 rear end, and you got an 8-speed automatic transmission, good 585 horsepower. That's my bitch. I'll start this hoe up for you. At the Big DZ 1993, follow me, IG.
I got the Houston hot fries, and the spicy level is Houston hot. It's out of this world, kind of amazing.
Oh yeah, I got the Third Coast Houston hot. That thing booming out the box, man. I ain't gonna lie. Stroke approved, fat boy friendly.
What's good with it? That boy Joey, Texas Trendsetters repping, you know what I'm saying? Tundra rolling, only dude in the truck club with the Tundra. All you other Tundra boys, come on with it, man. Got the coilovers right here, you know what I'm saying? 8-inch lift, 24x14s. IG is Joey_TRD 4x4. Follow me.
This whole weird to the whole 360.
Damn.
He said he was driving, the boat just stripped out and the whole just twisted all the way around.
So What are you gonna do?
He said that the person that put his lift on, they don't give him a free part, but he's like, it was like a headache to get them to give him the free part.
Free part.
Yeah. I was like, bro, it's been a while since you got that lift on.
BBP, man. Good work, good price. Don't let your shit come apart and do a 360. No Michael Jackson breakdancing on none of my shit. That's dead. You're playing, but she designed the truck and she control all my social media.
Oh shit.
You know what I'm saying? It's an eye catcher. Everywhere I go, somebody looking at it laughing, you feel me? This is a 2017, that's 250. When I got it, had the lift kit on there, but I'm gonna upgrade, I'm gonna go 10-inch lift probably. Either I'm gonna go high and low or low and wide. So I don't know how I'm gonna do. I know I'm gonna go get 26 by 14s. That's pretty much it. Put a bumper on there. I got put one on the back. Instagram Steezy.67. So STEEZY 6.7. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
What's up, baby? You alright?
Boy, you good?
What's good? What's up? What's up? What's going on?
They say you the first.
But I ain't never seen nobody with the pop trunk on the truck. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, check it out. Call me the silver bullet, so you know I had to do it. I ain't the shooter, I'm the bullet, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Get that shit correct.
That's all I had. How my baby was good. How much? First thing they said when I started linking up with them, hey, you like Mo City?
I said, well, shit, Mo City can't be the only one, man.
I'm probably about to have another set coming this weekend.
Yeah?
We'll see. You know, you gotta do big things.
My boy Couture Media, you know what it is. Hey, y'all come fuck with that boy.
So we got a boy called Custom 2022. Camaro with the back down. He like, anything you need, we can garage. That boy did all that. And he also did the sequel there too. So he did rap. He does rap too. Custom rap, custom detail, whatever you need. Wicket's Garage. We located off 249.
In the city of Pokers, I'm a stroker, Mr. Ibestrokin. We had some dope bills out here, got to link up with a lot of dope people. Check out they rides. Had a little bit of everything. Not everything was just jacked up, but you know how I am. We respect all bills, bro. Anybody who really do this car and this truck thing, you understand? Respect all bills. We're gonna catch y'all in the next one. Big Stroke, I'm out.